How to get an Aquarius man to chase you fast. 3 tricks for how to make an Aquarius man want you bad. So you want to know how to get an Aquarius man to chase you fast? Well, you're in the right place at the right time. Here we will go over exactly how to make an Aquarius man want you badly. So before we get into the tricks and tips for how to get that Aquarius man for yourself, you need to learn some basics about him first. The Aquarius man is generally born between January 21st and February 18th. These men are free-spirited, independent, with some mystery thrown in. They can also be eccentrics. They also generally want to make the world a better place too and are active in doing so. So now that you know the basics of an Aquarius man, let's get into the nitty-gritty tricks and tips to snag that man for yourself. Trick number 1, embrace your quirkiness. So a lot of people are generally caught up with trying to look cute and cool in front of their crush. This is understandable. Who doesn't want to make a good impression on a person who they care about? The Aquarius man is a bit quirky himself, so he needs to feel that you are compatible with him as well. So if you have odd or unconventional personality traits that you try to hide normally, this is the time to do the exact opposite. He will find it interesting and admire you for your ability to just be yourself. Trick number 2. You need to be a good listener and conversationalist. You will have to give the right balance of listening to him and contributing to the conversation at the same time. When you are talking to him, you shouldn't be scared to express your own opinions and individual thoughts on things. Though you need to be prepared to receive some disagreeing on their part when they see some flaws in your opinion. Don't be taken back by this. They are generally trying to help you broaden your scope of knowledge, so take it as a grain of salt. Trick number 3. Show passion for a cause you love. Here is one more trick for how to get an Aquarius man to chase you fast. Aquarius men are well known for being humanitarians and philanthropists. So if they run into a woman who is also this way, it can be a turn on for them. So if you haven't already gotten involved in a good cause, now is the time to hop on it. There are tons of things that you can volunteer for and give donations to. You can do a simple search on Google for good local causes you can take part in. Make this a regular thing you do a few times a month or once or twice a week. While this can be part of making you more appealing to the Aquarius man, this is just a good thing to do on your own as well. So now that you know this, what about getting him to not just like you, but to fall deeply in love with you? What about getting him to devote himself to your complete joy and happiness from here out? Well, wouldn't you love that? Check out the link below in the description box to learn how to 10x your love life now.